Welcome to my channel The Last Battle. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. The Su-57 was Russia's second attempt at developing a fifth-generation aircraft, preceded by several decades with an altogether different project. In 1979, Soviet High Command determined that a new generation of fighter aircraft was needed to ensure the competitiveness of the Soviet Air Force, VVS, into the 1990s and beyond. The Mikoyan Project 1.44-1.42 was a technology demonstrator developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau. It was the Soviet Union's answer to the US's Advanced Tactical Fighter, ATF, incorporating many fifth-generation jet fighter aspects such as advanced avionics, stealth technology, supermaneuverability, and supercruise. The project, which became known as MFI or Multifunctional Frontline Fighter, established a set of core design criteria roughly corresponding with the Soviet and early Russian understanding of what makes a fifth-generation fighter: supermaneuverability, supercruise capability, sustained supersonic speeds without the use of afterburners, low radar cross-section, integrated avionics system, and substantially improved landing/takeoff capability.